Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Have you ever wondered how the internet has completely revolutionized the way we live in recent times? Look at how it has shifted the way we do shopping, the way we bank, and the way we communicate with each other. The world has become a global village. Well, the world of trading and investing has not been left behind. So make sure you, in your personal capacity, tag along and don't miss these opportunities. What was once reserved only for Wall Street insiders and big corporate institutions is now in your pocket. And it's only a link and a click away. The internet has opened doors to global markets for the ordinary man in the street. Today, anyone with a cell phone and an internet connection is able to buy and sell global financial instruments. But here is the kicker. Well, access alone is not the key. The key is education. That easy access, if taken randomly and recklessly, can be your biggest downfall. If you decide to ignore the learning process, well, the market has a funny way of teaching you the hard way. And trust me, you don't want to be that person. So diving in head first without doing your due diligence, without doing research, without learning, is the main reason why many people blow up their accounts without even understanding what they're doing. And they end up giving up. Now remember this, the markets do not forgive ignorance. They actually punish it. I want you to think about it this way. Would you drive a car at full speed without knowing how to operate the brakes? Probably not, right? Well, if you decide to do that, you must be prepared to face the consequences. It's much easier to jump in, but only the disciplined will survive. Now, here is my advice as usual. I want you to slow down, take it step by step, learn, practice, and then you can trade with confidence. This is the main reason I created this channel. I'm here to hold your hand, shepherd you through the journey, and build a strong foundation before we risk even a single cent. My name is Musa, and welcome to Redemption Trading. If you are new to the channel, or you are already a part of the family but you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that you don't miss any of the valuable, crucial, and important alpha knowledge that I have in store for you. Also, please consider sharing this with friends and family that you think might benefit from such kind of information. The goal is to empower as many people out there, your ordinary people on the street, your everyday people, so that together we can redeem ourselves from financial constraints. Before we proceed, please note, everything said on this channel is meant for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing said on this channel should be taken as financial advice. Make sure you always do your own due diligence and thorough research before you make any business or investment decisions. The markets are very volatile and therefore very risky, which means you can lose your money if you approach them with the wrong mindset or mentality. Let us move on to our next practical lesson. In our previous video, we spoke about the importance of choosing a reputable and recognized exchange. And we briefly discussed Bitget. Today, I'm going to take you inside one of the world's largest platforms. It's called Exness. Now, with Exness, you are going to trade a variety of financial instruments, unlike Bitget, which is only limited to cryptocurrencies. With Exness, you can trade gold, you can trade Forex, you can trade individual stocks, and you can also trade uh, bundles of stocks put together, what they call indices. You know, your Dow Jones, your Nasdaq, your S&P 500, US 30, etc. So I love that variety because it caters for almost everyone. Let's dive straight into that. Welcome to the Exness platform. Okay. So the first thing you do is, if you are a complete beginner, you will obviously need to sign up. So then you go to your browser, whether Google or Firefox, whatever, and then you type Exness, EXNESS, and then you must click the one that says www.exness.com. Okay, that takes you to this window here. Then once you are here, if you are new, you need to register, obviously. And then if you are already signed up, then you just sign in, put in your email address, your password, and then you are in. Right. Now, from here, if you are new, you are going to click on register. Once you click on register, it brings you to this window here. So from here, it's plain simple. Just follow the instructions. It's going to require your credentials, and you'll be required to upload your ID document as well as proof of residence. Once that is done, they will approve you, and then you'll be ready to go. All right, let's go to the next one. This page right here is loaded with information that is going to help you kick off your journey. Okay. First of all, the coolest part is that you've got a free demo account, which means you can go into the demo account and start trading as if you are trading with the real money, but in fact you'll be trading with paper money. You see, it's like a simulation of the real account. Okay, now, but before you go to that demo, these words here on top are loaded with guidelines. You know, like if you click on trading there, it shows you the types of accounts that you can open. If you click on standard accounts, it shows you exactly what it's all about. You see, I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm going to dedicate one of the tutorials to go deeper into each of them so that you can really understand. Now I just want us to cover the basics. Okay, right, and then the last part is this one here, which is your personal area. You know, here you will find everything that you need to start your trading. You understand? So for example, if you go to trading there, and let me choose just one to show you. If you go to the terminal, it takes you to the charts, you know, and then yeah. So the thing is, most platforms, most brokers and exchanges, they have got guidelines, you know, which means you can actually teach yourself as you go. You see, now it brings us to this chart here. Also, I'm going to dedicate a full tutorial for chatting, you know, but basically this is what you'll expect. And then here are all your instruments. You know, if you click on the drop down there, it shows you what's available: most traded, majors, metals, crypto indices, energy, etc. This brings us almost to the end of our tutorial. But before we close, I want to leave you with an important message from Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of our time. He says, and he is very fond of this saying, the first rule of investing is don't lose money. And the second rule of investing is don't forget rule number one. Well, that cuts deep, doesn't it? Well, we always want to learn from the best. You don't want to miss my next video, because I will be covering the most frequently asked questions by beginners and traders just like you. You know, the normal questions like, how much should I start with? Is my money safe with these exchanges? You know, those typical beginner questions. And so if you have any burning question, please leave it in the comment section and I will address it together with the others on our next video. Once again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.